Transformed sinusoidal function. State transformation in the order you would apply to sketch. Y equals to 1 over 4 cosine of 2 times x plus 30 degrees minus 1. Now, the right order is that you should do multiplication and division first and then the translation. Multiplication division means stretches and compressions, correct? And then translations, which means phase shift and vertical translation. That is what it means, correct? So let's start with inside out. So we'll start with 2 first, which gives us horizontally compressed by a factor of half. So what we are comparing it with? We are comparing with f of x equals to cos of x, right? So that is what initial starting function is. So with respect to cosine function, this transform function will be transformed in these steps, which I'm going to write now. So the first one is horizontally compressed by factor of 1 over 2, half, right? That is the first thing which we should be mentioning. Then other multiplication here is vertical, right? So this is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is vertical compression. So it is vertically compressed by a factor of 1 over 4. Now let's look into the translations. So the translations is, here we have the vertical translation, right? So that is the vertical translation. So we say vertically translated 1 unit down because of the minus sign. And lastly, we can write down phase shift, right, which is 30 degrees. Phase shift is how much do you move, left or right. In cosine function, we could check it with the maximum. Cosine starts with maximum, right? So instead of starting with a maximum at x equals to 0, here it starts with x equals to minus 30, right? If I put minus 30, that becomes 0, right? So it is horizontally translated (30 units, which is in degrees, 30 units left. So that is the kind of transformation which you'll expect from this function, right?